Hello, everyone. I hope you're all doing wonderfully today. Whether you're tuning in from home, school, or somewhere in between, I want to extend a warm welcome to each of you. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey to explore how to speak English fluently. This guide will be packed with useful tips, engaging examples, and thought-provoking questions to help you reflect on your language learning journey. So, grab a cup of tea or coffee, get comfortable, and let's dive in. In our increasingly interconnected world, English has become a vital tool for communication, opening doors in business, travel, and social interaction. For many, speaking English fluently is not just a goal, it's a necessity. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you wished you could express your thoughts in English effortlessly? Perhaps during a job interview while traveling abroad, or even while chatting with friends online. This comprehensive guide aims to equip learners with effective strategies and resources to improve their English speaking skills, enhance their confidence, and ultimately achieve fluency. Fluency in English encompasses several components: vocabulary, pronunciation, comprehension, and the ability to express thoughts clearly and effectively. Understanding what fluency means is the first step in this journey. It involves not just speaking quickly, but also being able to communicate ideas with clarity and ease. Fluency is characterized by ease of communication, comprehension, correct pronunciation, and grammatical accuracy, allowing for seamless interaction with others. To achieve fluency, it is essential to establish a daily practice routine. Creating a consistent practice schedule is vital, and learners should set specific goals for their sessions, such as learning 5 new words each day, or practicing speaking for 10 minutes without interruption. Utilizing language learning apps like Duolingo or Babbel can provide structured lessons and daily reminders to keep learners on track. Additionally, maintaining a language journal to document daily practice, new vocabulary, and reflections on the learning process can reinforce what has been learned and track progress. Practicing speaking aloud is crucial for developing fluency, and there are several effective methods to do this. Reading aloud from books, articles, or scripts helps improve pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm, while the shadowing technique, listening to a native speaker and repeating what they say, can significantly enhance pronunciation and natural speech flow. Recording oneself while speaking and listening to the playback allows learners to identify areas for improvement, such as pronunciation or pacing. A rich vocabulary is essential for fluent communication. It allows you to express yourself more precisely and understand others better. Consider this. When you hear someone use an interesting word, do you ever feel inspired to learn it? To expand vocabulary, learners can adopt several strategies, challenging themselves to learn a new word each day, creating flashcards to memorize new words, and compiling thematic vocabulary lists based on specific topics of interest. Contextual learning is highly effective. Rather than memorizing isolated words, learners should read books or articles, highlight unfamiliar words, and look them up to understand how they are used in sentences. The best way to reinforce new vocabulary is through conversation. During speaking practice, learners should consciously incorporate newly learned words, which not only reinforces memory, but also increases comfort with using them in real-life situations. Listening is another critical component of fluency. It helps learners understand the rhythm and flow of the language, improves pronunciation, and enhances comprehension skills. To improve listening skills, learners should immerse themselves in English through podcasts, audiobooks, and movies, which expose them to various accents and colloquialisms. Active listening exercises, such as summarizing what has been heard after listening to a podcast or watching a video, can reinforce understanding and retention of information. Pronunciation is vital for effective communication, and learners should focus on improving this area through various techniques. Familiarizing oneself with English phonetics and understanding the International Phonetic Alphabet, IPA, can be beneficial. Tools like Elsa Speak or Speech Ace are excellent for accent reduction, providing feedback and tips for better articulation. Additionally, mimicking native speakers by repeating phrases and sentences from movies or speeches can help improve rhythm, tone, and pronunciation. Thinking in English is a powerful strategy for achieving fluency, as it eliminates the need to translate from the native language, allowing for more natural and fluid speech. Learners can practice thinking in English by describing their surroundings, journaling their thoughts, or even engaging in self-conversations throughout the day. When learners are comfortable expressing their thoughts in English, they become more confident speakers. Engaging in conversations is key to developing fluency. Joining conversation clubs or groups provides opportunities for practice in real-life situations. Role-playing different scenarios, such as ordering food or asking for directions, can enhance conversational skills and build confidence. Cultural nuances and context play significant roles in language learning. Understanding cultural differences can help learners navigate conversations more effectively, and familiarity with idioms and expressions enriches language comprehension. Using technology and online resources is also advantageous for language learners. Language learning apps, online communities, and social media platforms can provide additional practice and engagement with the language. Setting clear goals and measuring progress is essential for maintaining motivation and direction in the learning process. Learners should track their achievements, adjust their goals as necessary, and celebrate milestones along the way. The psychological aspect of learning a language cannot be overlooked. Overcoming the fear of speaking and building confidence is crucial for effective communication. Adopting a growth mindset, believing that abilities can improve with effort, can significantly impact a learner's success. With dedication, persistence, and the right strategies, anyone can achieve fluency in English, opening up numerous personal and professional opportunities in a globalized world. By integrating the various strategies outlined in this guide into daily routines, learners will gradually gain the confidence and skills necessary to speak English fluently paving the way for meaningful interactions and connections.